Hello students, today we will start a new chapter from accountancy, that is chapter number 17, provisions and reserves. Now as soon as I tell you the word provisions, the first thing that appears in your mind is what is the meaning of provisions. So in simple words, if we have to say that what is the meaning of provision, it means making arrangements of certain things. Okay, but in accounting we have a certain different definition or certain different meaning of provision. So let us read in details that what is the meaning of provision and reserves in accounting. So the simple definition of provision in accounting is setting aside a certain amount of money for any kinds of known liability or an expense. Okay, but when we are setting aside certain amount of money for this for meeting this known liability, we really cannot um, estimate the actual amount which we have to set aside. So that is why it is known as a provision. That means we are making arrangement of certain funds to be set aside as a provision for making or for meeting any known liability. Now it can be a provision for depreciation, provision for bad debts, provision for any kinds of other losses. Okay, provision for taxation, provision for providing discounts, provision for repairs, etc. etc. So these are certain types of known liability or known expenses which a business incurs, and we set aside a lump sum amount of money to meet these kinds of expenses, because we really don't know that what will be the exact amount of expense or what will be the exact amount of liability that we have to meet in future. Okay, now we will move on to reserves. Okay, so now we are having a definition of reserve. Now reserves are certain amount of money or certain amount which has been set aside from the profit earned during the year to meet certain kinds of expenses. Okay, or to meet certain kind of ventures like expansion of business, or to provide certain kinds of benefits to the business. So these are generally met from the reserves, and reserves are basically set aside from profit. So the main difference between provision and reserve is reserves are always set aside from profit, whereas provisions are not set aside from profit. Okay, so various kinds of reserves can be reserve for dividend, reserves for any kinds of other expenses, and then specific reserves or specific expenses, and there are various types of reserves. Okay, so the categories of reserves we will be learning in the next classes. So just remember what is the meaning of reserves. So reserves are basically created to expand the business, to meet any kinds of contingencies, that means losses, or to pay any bills or legal bills, etc. So reserves means amount set aside out profits and other surpluses which are not designed to meet any liability. In case of reserves, we don't have the known liability. Okay, so this is unknown liability or unknown expenses. Okay,